If we look at the world in terms of what it's doing to us, we're already in a reaction. We're already believing that we can like believe that into existence somehow, like as if it should be that way. Rather, it's simpler to just see it like, but that didn't happen. The truth is, I wanted something to happen and it just didn't happen. That's the simple truth of it, right? I wanted the dog to like me back, apparently, because I was disappointed when she didn't. And so then it's clearer. It's like, oh, she's not doing something positive. Like she's not doing something to you.
No.
She's just not doing something
not
that you
doing
were hoping she would do, which,
Right.
She's basically just acting like a dog or whatever. But she didn't accept my kindness. If you were just sitting across the room and you felt like, God damn it, that dog should come over here and love me,
Yeah.
then you might say, yeah, she's not approaching me, and that's triggering to me. The point of it, not necessarily the practice, but the point and the crux of what's happening is, without noticing it, you could say, when you were petting her, it seemed like a simple act, but without noticing it, you were actually expecting something from her, right? Because if you felt rejected that she didn't do it, then what you're looking for is her to accept you, essentially, and she didn't do that. And then you go, oh, that's what I want? Weird. Why would I, but if you don't even notice that's what you want, and you're already in a reaction saying, oh, she was a bad dog, she bit me, then you're missing the whole point of the fact that you actually were expecting something from her. And the key really would be like, in the moment, it may be like startling or something, but do you carry it off out of that moment? Like 5 minutes later, do you still feel rejected? And if you do, then that's something you can work with. You can just say that the dog didn't accept me, or she's not accepting me. The dog isn't accepting me, and just feel it. You could even generalize it to, I'm not being accepted. Or you can take it all the way back to childhood and remember that time when either mom or dad didn't accept you, and that caused a scar, an emotional scar. Or if your friend didn't accept you, something like, I'm not accepted. That person didn't accept me. That person didn't do whatever I thought they should have done in that moment. But the key is to find that trigger, and if it feels intense, feels restless, like you want to do something about it, and then just stay there with it. Some part of you does not want to see that that's the truth of the situation, and wants to, in the physical world, it would just be squirming out of the situation, right? If it's uncomfortable, an animal squirms away. But what happens with us is when we feel squirmy, we construct an identity in the mind and we tell a story to ourselves for 10 years. Like we tell the story over and over and over and over, but it becomes a very complex story, and it involves other people and it involves other situations. And, we're blaming our partner for something that dad said to us 30 years ago or whatever it is, right? So that's the problem with consciousness, is it just keeps reflecting over and over and over and over, and it becomes something completely different than what you think it is. So I think this exercise is a good way to simplify it down to like the moment you're actually buying into your own internal narrative about what should be happening rather than what is happening. Like what you think you're entitled to. And at some point it just becomes really clear, oh, the dog just did what she did. There's no need to get triggered by that at all.